Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. For today's lesson, we're going to learn about organizing data in tabular form. Are you ready to learn about this lesson? Lolo, where are you? I'm just here, my son, I'm just here. What do you want? Lolo, I have a list of my animals and I want it to organize in a tabular form, as my friend suggested to me. But I don't know how to organize it in a tabular form. Can you help me, Lolo? Please help me. Oh yes, my son, that is a very easy. Very easy. Oh, may I see your list? My son, may I see your data collected? Here is my data, Lolo. I have 32 sheep, 8 cows, 7 chickens, 5 dogs, and 1 dog. I really don't know how to arrange it in a tabular form. Oh, don't worry, my son, don't worry. It is so very easy. I will explain it to you. I will teach you how to do it. Oh, thank you, Lolo. Thank you so much. Here it goes, my son. In organizing your data, you have to identify first. What was your data all about? Do you know what was your data all about? Oh yes, Lolo. My data is all about the kind of animals that I have and the number of it. Oh, very good, my son, very good. You have identified it so well. Then what should I do after it, Lolo? What you have to do is to draw a table. And in the table you have to write the kind of data that you have. So since you are having this kind of animals, then you have to write the kind of animals and the number of it. Then what should I do after? What you do next is to place your data in the table. What was the first kind of animal in your list? The first in my list are sheep. Or then you have to write sheep. How many are your sheep? I have 32. Or then you have to write 32. What was the next in your list? I have cows. Then you have to write cows. How many cows do you have? I have 8. Then you have to write 8. Oh, very good, my son, very good. Can you do it with yourself? Oh yes, Lolo, I think I can do it. I will try. I have chicken. I'll write chicken. And it is 7. I have also ducks. I'll write duck. And it is 5. I will write dog. And it is 1. Am I right, Lolo? Oh yes, my son, you're right. Very good. Oh, I see. Oh, that is true, my son, that is true. It is really great to arrange the data in a tabular form. Try to see the difference of these two data. What have you noticed? I've noticed that the first one is not really organized. It is placed on different areas. While the second one was really arranged in the table. and it is easier to understand those data that are placed on the table. Oh yes, my son, that is very true. The first one that you see is called the unorganized data, meaning it is not well arranged. The second one is organized data. It is arranged so that the readers could understand it very well because it is easy to understand. I have here another data, Lolo. Will you still help me in organizing it in a tabular form? Yes, of course, my son, of course. I will still help you. Oh, thank you, Lolo. What was your data all about? My data is all about the scores that we obtained during the exam. It is the scores of my friends, and I want to organize it in a tabular form. Oh, that is so very easy, my son. Very, very easy. But I want you to ask your friend, maybe he can help us in organizing the data. Oh yes, Lolo. I understand. Hello, friend. Can you help me organize this data in a tabular form? Oh, thank you. Here are the scores that we obtained. The first periodic test, second periodic test, third periodic test, and fourth periodic test. It is the scores of my friends, Steven, Diane, and Paul. We have to organize it in a tabular form. Here is the table. We have the name of the students, their scores in first periodic test, second periodic test, third periodic test, and fourth periodic test. Let us see if you done it right. What was the score of the end in the first periodic test? Very good. It is 38. How about Paul? Oh yes, that's true. It's 41. How about Steven? Very good. It is 35. Let us go to second periodic test. What was the score of the end? Very good. It's 38. How about Paul? Oh yes, that's true. It's 34. How about Steven? Okay, it's 31. Very good. Next, in third periodic test, what was the score of the end? Very good. It is 42. How about Paul? Oh yes, that's right. It's 40. How about Steven? Oh yes, it's 43. Now we will have the last periodic test. The end. 37, very good. How about Paul? Oh yes, that is 37 also. How about Steven? Yes, that's true. It's 39. Oh, you've done it well, friend. Perfect. Very, very good. Oh, your friend was very, very good. Congratulations.